Happy Fun Friday! Woohoo! Alright, so it's Friday. It's our last math lesson of the week. We are going to work on Chapter 11, Lesson 6. And so we're going to start working on shapes and positions, still comparing those shapes. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. Take out your pen. Take it out. Okay, so you are going to find the hexagon and circle it. Find the hexagon and circle it. I see a hexagon right here. I'm going to make sure that this is nice and big. Circle that hexagon. Okay, next shape we are going to look for is a square. Look for the square. There's the square. Circle it. Next shape you are going to look for is a circle. I see a circle. Okay, last shape. You are going to look for a rectangle. And here is the rectangle. Circle it. Okay, so now we're going to describe where these shapes are. The shape and the position. So we'll start with a hexagon. The hexagon has 6 sides and 6 vertices, so 6 of those points. And I see the hexagon under the table. Say under the table. Okay. The square. The square. It is green. It has 4 sides and 4 vertices, and it is on top of the chair. Say on top of the chair. Nice. The circle, the clock, it has 0 sides and 0 vertices because it is round, and it is on the wall above the table. And then the rectangle has 4 sides, 4 vertices, and it is above the bed. Very nice. Okay, everybody say above the bed. All right, we're going to turn that page. Okay, number 1. We are going to get our pencil and we are going to circle the object that is beside the rectangle picture. So here's our rectangle picture. Which item is beside it? That's right, it's the triangle picture. So you're going to circle the triangle picture. Okay, number 2. We are going to circle the object that is above the barn. We're going to describe the shape. So here's the barn. What's above it? That's right, it's the sun. Circle it. What shape is the sun? It's a circle. Very nice. Now we're going to draw an X on the object that is in front of the barn. And we're going to describe its shape. So let's look at the object that is in front of the barn. We're going to put an X on it. So put an X. It is a rectangle. It has 4 sides and 4 vertices. It looks like a hay bale. Very nice. So make sure you put an X on that hay bale and you've circled the circle sun. All right, next page. Now, for number 3, we're going to circle the object that is below the table. So, here's our table right here. What object is below it? It's a baseball. Okay, we are going to circle the baseball. The baseball is a circle. It has 0 sides and 0 vertices because it is round. Now we're going to draw an X on the object that is next to the box. And we're going to describe it. So here's the box. Next to the box, what is that? First we're going to draw an X. That looks like a notebook. The notebook looks like a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices. 2 sides are shorter than the other 2. Very nice. Last one for number 3. We're going to draw a box around the object that is above the box. Okay, here's our box. Above means on top of it. And we're going to draw a box around it. Now, what is that shape? Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know that a shape that has 6 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 vertices is called a hexagon. Say hexagon. Now tell me, how many sides does a hexagon have? I'm listening. That's right, 6 sides. How many vertices does it have? That's right, 6 vertices. Nice job. Okay, now we're going to move to number 4. We're going to circle the object that is above the clipboard. So here's our clipboard. We're going to circle this object that is above it. What shape does that look like? That looks like a rectangle. How many sides does a rectangle have? That's right, 4 sides and 4 vertices. Very nice. Now we're going to draw a box around the object that is next to the racket. Describe its shape. So here's the racket. What object is next to it? We're going to draw a box. That was the clipboard we were talking about. That clipboard also looks like a rectangle. And remember, rectangles have 4 sides and 4 vertices, or 4 points. Very nice. Next page. Okay, number 5. We're going to draw a window above the door and next to the other window. So above the door and next to the other window. We're going to draw it right here. And we're going to describe its shape. That looks like a square. It has 4 sides and 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you really want to get creative, it looks like 4 little squares. Okay, now for number 6, we're going to draw a swing behind the dog and next to the other swing. So behind the dog and next to the other swing. So we're going to draw it right here. 1 line down, another line down, and then we're going to have a There's our swing. What shape does it look like? It looks like a rectangle with 4 sides and 4 vertices. Very nice. So today we talked about shapes and their position. So a rectangle above a door, next to or beside a window, behind a dog, under a table. You did an awesome job. All right, have a good rest of your day. Happy Friday! Yay! All right, bye.